The Jericho Chair of Design Innovation sits at the nexus between design, high-end science, and defence insight. Design's role in these projects really speeds up the acceleration process by looking at the end user's needs and bringing it up front of the design and development phases.
Surveillance is critical to a nation like Australia. As an island, our understanding of the undersea environment, the air environment and the space environment is necessary to ensure that we know what's happening in our surroundings all the time. It's important that we continue to strive to miniaturise each of these technologies so they can be flown or hosted on smaller planes, on smaller satellites, and ultimately provide us the same technologies that we can get through traditional sensors, but through modern miniaturised, or in this case, nano-sensing technology.
So we're talking about photonic sensors that harness the properties of light, and we're going to miniaturise these sensors onto a chip the size of my thumbnail.
So now you can think of a completely different paradigm. Whereas previously we might have one or two exquisite sensors doing the job, now we can have a whole bunch of these and we can connect them, pull them together and make sense of them in different ways. So it's a paradigm shift in how we use sensors.
Well, I think the future is very bright. It's a really exciting project. There's lots of really interesting fundamental technical engineering problems that need to be solved. And to see economic benefits in New South Wales and Australia, particularly through spin-off companies, that has applications in other areas such as smart cities, environmental monitoring and civilian applications.
This is a very unique collaboration between a physicist and a designer leading this project here at the University of Sydney.
Without these sorts of partnerships, we will never get the capabilities that we need. So we need to be able to connect with the academics, we need to bring the end user or the warfighter, because without those partnerships, the speed at which we can develop capability is hugely affected. And what I want out of these collaborations is some of the best, most creative minds bringing their brilliance to us. And if we can get that, we are already on top of the game.